how to enable YouTube data saver feature. It's quite simple and easy, just follow these simple steps and watch this video till the end. So first I need to open up YouTube application, and then afterwards I need to tap on my profile icon, and here I look for settings. And then I'm interested in video quality preferences. Tap on it. And here I see my preferences of video quality. Tap on mobile networks, and here I select video quality on mobile networks. And here is the data saver. I will tap on it. And now I will get lower picture quality. So it's quite simple, huh? And now you know how to enable YouTube data saver feature. Make sure you like this video if it was helpful for you. See you next time.